Hello everyone, welcome to Static GK quiz number 77. This video is aimed to help you with your central and state government job examinations. I'm Ritrisha from GKToday and I'll be taking you through this. Anatolia is a part of which among the following continents? The correct answer is Asia. Anatolia or Asia Minor constitutes the central part of Turkey. It is bounded by the Taurus Mountains in the south, the Black Sea in the north, and the Aegean Sea in the west, while the eastern boundary is formed by the Mount Ararat and Armenian Knot. Anatolia is a plateau having undulating topography, and the national capital of Turkey, or Ankara, is located in its central part. Ozone layer is found in which of the following? The correct answer is stratosphere. The ozone layer is a region of Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation that may cause skin cancer. It contains high concentration of ozone in relation to other parts of the atmosphere. Stratospheric ozone is not harmful, but its presence on land is harmful. How many members of Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President of India? The correct answer is 12. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament which represents the states and union territories. Its membership is fixed to maximum 250 members, of which 238 are elected by the representative of states and union territories, while 12 members are nominated by President on account of their excellence in literature, science, art or social service. The law created by a legislature is called legislation or statutory law. Whether a given bill will be proposed and is generally a matter of legislative priorities of the government, and once the bill is passed, it becomes a statutory or legislative law. When was Guru Nanak born? Guru Nanak was born on 20th October 1469. So the correct answer is option A, and this day is still celebrated as Prakash Divas. How many types of emergencies are there in the Constitution of India? There are 3 types of emergencies defined in the Constitution of India. These are national emergency, state emergency and financial emergency. They are mentioned in the part 18 of the Indian Constitution, which deals with emergency provisions. Kohinoor Diamond was found probably from which among the following mines? The correct answer is Golconda. The Golconda diamonds are Indian diamonds mined in a specific geographic area within the historic Golconda Sultanate, which is in present-day Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Diamonds from these mines were transported to the city of Hyderabad to be cut, polished, evaluated and sold well within the 19th century. Who among the following was the first to adapt a new religion propounded by Akbar called Din-i-llahi? Din-i-llahi was an eclectic doctrine that contained elements from very diverse fields. It overthrew almost every ceremonial rule, whether Islam or any other, but took the good ideas from the Brahmins as well as from the missionaries and adopted sun as a symbol of the worship of the Creator. He started a new Ilahi era. The new cult was immediately professed by a small band of the courtiers of Akbar, including Faizi, Abul Fazl, Birbal and a few others. The first one to embrace it was Birbal. Consider the following. 1. Conservation of soil, water and biodiversity. 2. Improve rural roads and bridges. 3. Gap the rural-urban divide. Which among the following are the objectives or functions of Rural Infrastructure Debt Fund? All of these are functions of this particular fund. In economy, the Gini coefficient deals with which among the following? Gini coefficient represents the income distribution of a country's residents, so it deals with distribution of wealth. It was developed by the Italian statistician and sociologist Corrado Gini. It measures the inequality. The coefficient ranges from 0 to 1, with 0 representing perfect equality and 1 showing perfect inequality. The higher is the Gini coefficient, more is the gap between rich and poor in the country. If the value of Gini coefficient is 1, it implies that all wealth of the country belongs to one person and everybody else is poor. The 0 value of the Gini coefficient implies that all people have exactly equal wealth. Practically, the Gini coefficient value falls between 0 and 1 for all countries. That's all for today's quiz. Until the next video, goodbye.